bounds.
Hi guys, this is again your friendly techie neighbor, Gideon Boniel, and for this lesson 0, we will know about the Arduino Learning Kit and Starter Kit manual. This is from the Maker Lab Electronics, of course, because that's where I bought this upgraded learning kit, okay? For lesson 0, installing Arduino. Introduction. Before we start the lesson, we need to install Arduino IDE, or the Integrated Development Environment, and some library files. So let's visit the arduino.cc and install Arduino IDE. And after installing the Arduino, we need to install or copy some library files needed for this manual. So there is a corresponding folder that will be given to you after you buy the product. So they sent me already the codes, the sample codes, and the libraries. So this is the instruction afterwards. So let's first install the Arduino software. This search bar, the arduino.cc. Okay, so this is the website of arduino.cc, and you can learn a lot of things here, especially project making. But for this website, we need to install the software, the Arduino software. So let's go to the software tab menu. When you click it, and you have a lot of options here. We have for Windows, for Linux, for Mac OS. But for this tutorial, we will be clicking this one since I'm Windows 10. So let's click the Windows 7 and viewer. Okay. If you are curious about Linux ARM, so basically it's commonly used in Raspberry Pi platforms. So let's click this one. If you have enough money to donate to the organization and to those who develop Arduino, so you can put it here. Okay, but for now, let's just click just download and save it wherever you want it. Okay, I've already installed the software here. So this is the Arduino 1. So you have to follow the instruction of downloading it. You just have to click yes, since I have already the software, and you will be redirected. Just click yes and yes and yes. Okay. So these are the libraries that we are going to copy and put it on the Arduino libraries. Okay, just copy this one and paste it to the library of Arduino. So these are the libraries of my Arduino software, and I need to copy those things. Okay, we have successfully copied the library files. So that's it, guys, and that's for our first video for lesson 0, and I hope that you will stay tuned for our next videos. Okay, bye bye.